Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem and error you might be having with a Google form where it says it's no longer taking responses. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main website that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. In the upper right corner of the main page, we can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one. If you already have a Google account, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. We can get started creating a new form. As you can see here, we have a blank form option. We can take a look at all the recent forms that we have right here, and now we can get started. So what happens if the form is no longer taking responses? As you can see right here in the support page of Google, somebody already asked this, that what happens if they are no longer taking responses. If it is your form, you can go ahead and manage it. So let's go ahead and open up one of our forms. As you can see here, I have a tutorial form where I can manage my responses at the top of the screen. By clicking responses, this is now going to show me my responses, and if I click settings, I can now go ahead and take a look at the responses settings right here. So opening responses is going to enable me to still get responses. As you can see guys, this is going to enable us to no longer get responses, because if you do not want to go ahead and get responses anymore for your form, you can unpublish it in the upper right corner. And as you can see, we can no longer get responses if we turn this off. So if you turn off all the info guys, then nobody will be able to go ahead and give you responses anymore. You can unpublish your form to no longer get it. But basically, if you get an error, that means that the form is no longer public and you can no longer answer it. So what the person does have to do, who owns the form, is to turn the responses back on so that you'll be able to open it up and to answer it. If you cannot answer it and if you cannot access it, then the person is just not allowing you until they enable it. You will not be able to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.